Good morning, everyone. This is part 3. I'm Angela from Homestitched Heaven, and this is part 3, how to make an angel, a tree topper doll angel. So yesterday, or our last time we were together, we finished the underlay. And remember, I sewed, very rough. It took nothing at all. I didn't even measure. Made a triangle out of this piece of tulle and satin. Okay, we still have our things on the table, our wings and all of the things back here that we'll use later on. We'll talk about those more, but right now let's get right into how we're going to put this on here. The only thing that I've done to this that you didn't see, I just trimmed this off the tulle part where it's even, and I left this open on here. A lot of people will ask, why would you leave that rough? Why wouldn't I turn it to the inside? Because this part is going to help us create a bustle on the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over the head. And I told you all of this will make sense later, and so that's what it is. That's what we're doing. Now if you look, if I slide this right up and onto here, look at how we've created her dress. Okay, so now you'll see why I put her on a bottle too, so that this was the way a person might use that in their home. If they wanted to leave it out all year round, the dress would hang just like it will on the tree, but you also see it the way it will be on the tree, okay? And in the back, here's our wedge. We're going to pinch this off a little bit, and we're going to fold it under. This will create the bustle under the velvet. Now, I wanted to make one thing clear. I'm putting a pin right in through the material and through the plastic. Okay, you can do this fairly easily, just as an anchor point while we glue. Okay, none of this underlay is required to make an angel, but I'm showing you how I do it because it will make a difference in the dress, and you have to think about all these things in advance of what you want to do. So there she is, but I need to glue this in place. So I have my glue gun, and I'm actually going to start right here under her arms, and I'm just going to start putting some drops of glue, kind of pushing it in a little bit. And here, I'm going to go under the breastplate, put some there. Working my way around. And you want to leave this, you see how there's a little bit of a gap right here where it comes down? That's okay, because her wings are going to go here, and it's going to be very full with the bow and her wings, so I kind of dropped it down a little bit. That's why I make a triangle. So now, just applying some more glue. Quite a bit of little glue there. And I'm pushing this in. So you see how the pin helped me hold it there while I glued it on. So now, here she is. And what I'm going to do now, remove my pin, turn this under just a little bit more, and I'm just going to put a little drop of glue right under here. Right under here to help hold this material down. Doesn't have to be good because it only has to stay for a little while. So now that we've got that on, and we like the way that looks, I'm going to put my pin back in so that it might hold it while it dries. Don't worry about any of the rest of that. And let's just put her aside and let's get right into how we cut our material. So if you'll take one little break, I'll be right back.